I'm Vivian Joy, your Mindset Reset expert. I'm here for another Future Focused Friday. And we've been talking about what you're actually focused on. So like the title that I call these little Friday videos is what you're actually focused on. And the things you say to yourself are the clues. So if you haven't watched any of my other videos, it's as simple as that. So if you're thinking, oh, I've got to do this, got to get that done, need to think about that, oh, I'm too scared to do that. That's what grows. What you focus on grows. Where your focus goes, energy grows. That's what they say. And so I want you to have a think now about your future. Because a lot of the time you'll be thinking about your past. You'll be focused on what you could have said, what you should have done, what happened if, what happened when that person said that. So that's how I felt. That's what I should have done. That's what I could have done. You'll be firmly focused on the past. Or you might be focused on now. Got to get the washing in. Got to do the shopping. What am I having for dinner? What if I don't get that podcast done? What if I don't? So we're either focused on the past or the now. Occasionally, your mind might glance somewhere into the future. And it might go something like, if I don't get this done, I can't pay the mortgage. If I don't do this now, I can't do that. Or, oh, if I do this now, I can do that. Like if I get this done, I can go out and play. So the future that you're doing is still based on you doing now. The future you're thinking about is typically based on the now. And so what I want you to do is take a few moments now out of your busy day, your busy life of thinking about now and the past, and take a glance into the future about the things you really, really, really want. You may have vision boards, you might have them written down, you might have a list, a laminated list. You could have all sorts of things. But I want you to really think about it and feel it. I want to feel into what you want to focus on for the future. Just close your eyes just for a moment and just imagine and focus on that. I just want you to focus on that day you wake up and have the things you dream of. Have all the things you want to need, people, security, maybe it's a business, maybe it's a relationship, maybe it's your health, maybe it's your vision for changing the world. It could be anything. I just want you to bring that into your mind, and I just want you to make it more and more real. So if it's moving, I want you to kind of just make it still for a moment so you can really focus on it. And if it's still, I want you to make it move so you can bring it to life. If it's not very big, I want you to make it smaller or bigger. Just want you to change it in some way. If it's black and white, I want you to make it colour. If it's in front of you, I want you to bring it nearer to you. If it's behind you, I want you to move it. Wherever it is, I want it to be nearer to you, closer to your now. Let's bring the future focus nearer to the now. I want you to notice how it feels as you move it and change it slightly. I want you to keep changing it until it feels absolutely fabulous. It feels right. And you can do this as often as you like, knowing that you just literally have to close your eyes and imagine your future. And I want you to imagine what you focused on to get to that future. Maybe if you're visioning a version of yourself in that future, you can ask them. Ask your future self what they did, how they got out of their own way, what they really focused on as an action and thoughts and feelings and behaviours, what their self-talk was like. Wouldn't it be good to get information from your future self that you, of course, trust? And when you've done that as much as you want, then you can do this as often as you like, bring that back to the now. And just know that the more you do that, that is focusing on your future. Not the fear of, not the what ifs, not the things you think you're probably doing, but actually focusing on you feeling, enjoying and being in your future. And if you want to do more of that, you can do that with me. You know where I am, but you can do that yourself every day. Enjoy.